Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, the www.gigabyte.com, and in the right side you can see this is search button. So just click on that. Then enter your model number of motherboard 510M H510M S2H V3 and then hit enter. Then click off title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So all the operating system, both Windows 10 installations process same. You select any which is you using. This is first Realtek audio driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading here. I already downloaded. Just open it after download and double click to launch and find out the setup exe. You can see this and just double click to launch. Might be it will come this error, so because you just click on the yes and then next to install. Okay, after that next to install and then close it. Chipset chipset. So first this one serial driver and then click on the downloader. Click on the download button. This is download button. It will start downloading. You can see. After that just single click. No. Okay, after download just open it, double click launch. This is setup serial.exe. So this is setup. You have to click on that, double click. Okay, and then click to yes. Now and then next to install and then finish it. Next to install. This is coming error versus other motherboard, so that's why if you use this motherboard and then next to install then finish it. Then use this Intel INF installations. So click to download and just open it and double click to exe and just same, yeah, click on yes for the administrator rights. Now you can see this installing and then close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and it is completed. That or open it, then same double click to open. This is exe, so you have to double click on for the run. After that run administrator, so yes. Now this is a extract. After that next. And then okay and finish. Then VGA. So you can see this is size and okay, I click to download. You can see start downloading. Just after completed, just open it. And this is your driver of exes. So double click on VGA graphic driver. then click on yes. Now this is installing. So now this is installing. So it is closed automatically, this is installed, and then close it.